In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use ChatGPT on your Windows PC. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have ChatGPT ready to assist you whenever you need it. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can do this easily by clicking on the Start menu, located at the bottom left of your screen. Once the Start menu is open, use the search bar to type in Microsoft Store, and then click on it to launch the app. The Microsoft Store is your go-to place for accessing and downloading a variety of apps for your Windows PC, including ChatGPT, so having this skill under your belt will be useful. Once you've navigated to the Microsoft Store, you'll notice the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the window. Click into the search bar and type ChatGPT. Now, you're looking for the official ChatGPT app developed by OpenAI. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right app to get the full and secure experience. The Microsoft Store sometimes includes various apps and services, so a good practice is to look for that verified developer name to be sure. After finding the ChatGPT app by OpenAI, you'll see an option to get or install the app. Click this button to begin downloading and installing ChatGPT onto your PC. Depending on your internet speed, this process could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, it's always a good idea to make sure your device has enough storage space and is up to date with the latest Windows updates to avoid any installation hiccups. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to open ChatGPT in a couple of ways. You can either go back to your Start menu and type in ChatGPT to find it in your apps, or you might have a fresh desktop shortcut that was automatically created during installation. Opening it from either place will launch the app, and you'll be greeted with ChatGPT's interface. And there you have it. ChatGPT is now ready and installed on your Windows PC. From here, you can begin exploring all its features and see how it can help you with a variety of tasks. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, needing help with writing, or just curious about what AI can do, ChatGPT is a handy tool to have at your disposal. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel confident navigating the Microsoft Store and installing new apps. Enjoy your journey with ChatGPT, and feel free to share your experiences or any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.